third gear, it lifted a wheelie there. Wow. Oh, feels like it would do it in fourth gear. Wow. So that mirror's not doing me any good. I'm thinking of maybe bending the, heat treating it and bending it a little bit so I can see out of it. But we'll see. Might need to figure out a different mirror mount. Oh man. It has a lot of pull. It's hard to hold on. I mean, harder than mine. It's not crazy hard, but it's definitely harder than mine. I'm doing 50 miles an hour right now. Feels fine. I don't know if I'm gonna hit the freeway quite yet. Wish I could find some dirt real close. Yeah, so this, whoa, the steering head. Oh. Okay. I just felt it bind. So yeah, the bearings and the steering head are kind of goofy. Yeah, the steering is no bueno. Wow, the pull is immense. Oh, need my headlight on. Alright. I'm just going to go to the one exit. So I'm doing 60, 62, 64. See, I don't know these tires or anything, so I'm a little nervous. 67. Yeah, that front tire kind of grabs the grooves a little bit. And the bike is really light compared to my bike, so it's just going to feel different for me. Oh, this steering is not good. I hope it doesn't like bind really hard, because if it does, I'm going to flop on my side. I don't think it'll do that. Oh, yeah, I got to really push it to make a turn. Oh, dang, I don't like that at all. Wow, this has low end grunt. Yeah, it feels like there's a flat spot in the middle, like the bearings are worn out in the middle. So it's going to need new head bearings, I believe. We can tear it down and find out, but I'm pretty sure that's what it's going to need. But wheels feels nice and straight, solid. I got the steering pretty straight. It's a hair off. I don't think the bars are bent anymore. I thought they were, but the forks were just really twisted hard, about an inch, 3/4 inch, something like that. It's comfortable. The seat's hard, so hate to say it, but Colin's right. The height, just a hair taller than mine, maybe. Actually, it's pretty close to mine, I guess. Oh, that steering is awful. I've ridden them like this before, and it's just terrible. It scares you real bad. Because it just sticks. If I let go right now, it'll just stay there. So it doesn't want to return to center or anything. You got to do all the motions, and it's just sticky. So those little tiny movements that you do without even knowing you're doing, they aren't happening here. So the bike wobbles back and forth a bunch. It's just rotating from knobs to knobs. Oh yeah, the center is where there's a little bit of a click in the bearings. Oh. Just roasted the back tire, I guess. I was trying to do a wheelie, but it actually spun right out. Well, I know why I spun out when I tried to do a wheelie, because brand new tire, the rear tire. Still got the slick on it, which means I need to be easy in these turns. Oh, which I have to anyway, so this steering is super sketchy. I haven't really razzed your guys' bikes that hard, but I think we're close to the amount of power you guys are running. I doubt it's there because it's smaller, but it's a lot closer than mine is, that's for sure. Yeah, the front just comes right up. It's easy. Yeah, it's like wheelie whenever you want. And no clutch or anything, just give it gas, it comes up. I do like that. I wish my bike would do that. Yeah, it's exactly like riding a dirt bike. This one does not feel like a dual sport at all. It feels like a dirt bike, totally. Yeah, Colin, you're gonna like this. This one has some room for you to grow into power-wise. It's got more than you'll ever need. So I've got some more work to do. I still need to do another oil change, but I want to do that at the very end so it's fresh when you get it. This steering definitely has to be dealt with. It's sketchy as all get out when I'm making this turn right here. It totally feels like it's going to throw me on my side. I got the throttle loosened up nicely. I took it all apart and cleaned everything, made sure it returns easy. So my guess is that motorhome was parked over here and rolled over there in the middle of the night. It's hard to say. I wasn't even twisting it all the way. Like I say, I'm a little nervous because I don't know the bike that well yet. Yeah, I can flip right over there. Well, cool. Super excited. Kill switch works. Blinkers work. Horn's the only thing that doesn't work. And like I say, it's probably a relay or a fuse under the seat. I'll try and address that because if Colin goes for his motorcycle license, he's going to need a horn. They make you do all the things that are on it. So anyways, exciting.